Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a wireless security camera sent to me by AOSU. They did send it to me and did compensate me to do this review and unboxing. So I'll do the unboxing. I'm doing this in two different parts. That way you get a really good look at everything.
Hey guys, just want to take a quick minute here and thank you all for watching my videos. If you're enjoying all my content, please don't forget to consider buying us a cup of coffee. It really helps support my channel. I really do appreciate that. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hope you're enjoying the video. There's a great unboxing and we're doing more videos like this. Let's go.
Doing the unboxing first, I want to show you what's in the package. So that's super important. So let's do the opening of the package. And I want to show you what's in here, and I want to show you what's included in this kit. This is a 4-camera security kit, just so you know. So what's in here? So the top half is where the solar panels are. So that's simple enough. There's 4 solar panels in here. I'm going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4. Then USB-C cables in here as well. These are super fast charging. They'll charge them all. Constantly keep your camera charged. You don't have to worry about anything about charging, taking them down, none of that nonsense. Extra long cable and really high quality waterproof solar panels, as you can see here. So I like that quite a bit. These are really nice quality, super high quality. So there's 4 of those right on top. Very easy. Let's peel off the first layer, put that to the side, and let's take a look at the second layer underneath and what's included here. So what we have here is 4 security stickers. And this is nice. You can put them on the windows, 4 different parts of the home where the security cameras are on the windows so people know they're being monitored. That's important. Also a manual, really easy to use, easy to sync. Just a basic manual will give you all the information. You download the app. Once you download the app, you sync them, very easy. Comes with all the mounting hardware. As you can see, all the mounting hardware is included. So let's just do this first. So first, one thing I really like about the security system is this base station. You get this base station and it has 32 gigs of onboard storage. Super important. That way you know that you have total protection and security. And I do think that's really, really important. So 32 gigs of onboard storage. You never have to worry about buying and paying for extra storage. It's constantly going to be just recording storage all the time when you need it. And the back, it is hooked up with an Ethernet cable that is supplied that hooks up to your router. So you don't have to worry about wireless connection. It connects directly to the router. Super secure. I like that quite a bit. Now put that to the side. So this is super important to the system. 4 security cameras, a power supply for the base station. That comes in here as well. They also give you, if you don't want to use the solar, you don't have to. They give you 4 charging cables to charge up these cameras. And you can just take them down once. They'll tell you when they're low. Could be 6 months, depending on how much they use. Take them down and recharge them if you need to. If you want to, you don't have to, but it's there if you want to, which is I find that really quite convenient. That's super convenient. I like that. So they give you 4 of those. Also, they give you these here 4 mounting brackets here. These are for the cameras. Really super easy for the cameras. These are for the solar panels. These are easy enough for the solar panels. And these are the mounting screws for the cameras. And this is the mounting package for the actual solar itself. So to use, just hook these up. All you do is unscrew this. Really easy. Slide this through. Lock this back in. And you're good to go to hook up your solar panel. So it's really super easy and super convenient. And this just screws on the bottom of the solar panel, just like you see here. And that's all you have to do to get that ready. So it's really super easy and super convenient. So you can see how to hook up the solar panel and get that going. So you can see how that works. So that's really easy. So we'll unmount that, take that off. So you get 4 of these. You get 4 of this is for the cameras themselves. Okay, so this is the mount for the outside of the house. You put this on the house and then you just snap these in. And that way you can unsnap it when you're ready to use it when you want to charge or change the camera. You don't have to, but that's what that's for. So it's really easy and modular. You can just move it around. Here is the actual camera itself. It's a 2K camera, which gives you super high quality image. It has a light built in, it has night vision, it has a speaker built into it so you can talk to somebody, communicate. It has a wide vision of view. You get a really whole perspective of, and we'll do all that. We'll go over all that on the next video. I just want to show you what's in the package here. A waterproof. This is where you hook up your port right here on the bottom, USB-C. You just pop this open. Then you can just pop in your USB-C charging to charge the actual cameras, or you can hook them up once they're all. I recommend charging all 4 of these first before you get going. And then you put them outside. And if you want to hook up your solar panel, you can with an extra long cable. That's all set to go. Super easy to use. If you don't want to use the cable, you don't have to. You can just charge them, close it up, and you're good to go. And you want to take them back in the house, take them back in the house, and then pop them back in the charger if you want to. So you get 4 of these, 4 cameras. Everything's all in this kit. Super easy, high quality stuff here, guys. I love it. I think it's going to work great. I'm going to hook it all up. I'm going to do another video. I just want to do the unboxing, show you what's in here. It gives you all the mounting screws, all the mounting, everything you need. There's nothing you have to buy at all. Everything's all included in this kit. So you get 4 of these for the cameras. You get all these mounting cables, bracket screws here for the solar panels. So it's just all included in this kit. So, okay, so we're going to take these out. We're going to charge these all up, get things rocking and rolling, and then we're going to hook them all up and sync everything and see how it works. So I just want to give this quick unboxing, and I do appreciate this company sending this to me to do this unboxing and total review. I'm going to give you a full perspective of everything, so stay tuned to the next video. Thanks for watching this one.